hay on our farm. It's hard, dusty work, but it pays off making the hay dry out faster.
Sounds like a first-class seat on the